be fish and chips. They got it. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Wow, they have some money.
Yeah, wonderful. Fantastic.
Do you grow?
I don't actually.
No?
No.
Oh, that's crazy. I do. I'm a grower in the city.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, that's so interesting that you're
It
like,
is indeed, yeah.
Oh,
Well, I'm so connected to the nature and life, so
yeah, me too.
this is pretty amazing to see that.
Do you live in this area?
No, I live in London.
Oh. I'm growing a farm in front of an office building.
Oh, it's even wonderful.
Uptown, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, what we eat is almost 6 months old.
Yeah, I donate
So,
all the food to food banks. I got
it's-
the insurance building, the insurance company that owns the building
Yeah. Oh, okay.
pays me. I grow
To
the
do
food.
to
Yeah.
grow. Okay.
Yeah.